Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to change your Rec Room password. Changing your password on Rec Room is essential for maintaining account security, whether you've forgotten your current password or wish to update it for safety reasons. First of all, launch open Rec Room on your device and then from the home page, tap on the watch menu at the top left. From here, click on Profile on the bottom left. Inside Profile, click on Edit Profile on the top right. Now click on Account Settings from the Player Profile Setting page. You will see Change Password option. Tap on the Set button right next to it. Now, enter your old password in the first field. Enter your new password in the next field. Make sure that you enter a strong password. Finally, click Change. And that's how you can easily change your password in Rec Room. Your application will give it a quick restart and you will be able to successfully change your password in the game. Remember to keep your new password in a secure place and avoid sharing it with others. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.